Hello everyone from the CryptoMert YouTube channel. In this video I talked about a legendary airdrop made by Bybit. In this airdrop scope, if you are a new user, if he is an old Bybit user, so if you still have a buy put account, friends, you are making a minimum of $15. Additionally here, friends, there will be distribution in the form of airdrop. It's been about 40 blues, 30,000 users will join, and I can tell you this game, since many people will find it cumbersome to play for 1 or 2 minutes and take a screenshot, many people will not do this. So I can tell you 8 out of 10 people who watch this video will benefit from this airdrop. Now we have two types of reward logic here, friends, one directly with airdrop tasks and one with the token swap. Guys, I'll touch on what they are in a bit. Before getting into these, if you pause the video, subscribe to the channel and support me by commenting, I would be very happy. Now what you need to do, friends, firstly in the description, if you are not a member, the link that I've given to you, you need to create a membership on Bybit. Then friends, the link of this place is in the description part.
I am coming to you.
In step 1, you need to follow Bybit and Mavia's Twitter account. Since I'm already following Bybit, I'm not doing anything. I'm also coming from here, following Mavia and closing it. I'm coming back later, friends. Look at this shipment. Add quotes to the screenshot. Here's what you need to do, guys. Subtitle MK. Then you also burn the screenshot here. Where is it done, unit? After you log into the App Store, you directly type Heroes of Mavia and download it directly from here. I still have it downloaded. Then after you've downloaded it, you are logging in. On your first login, it will ask you to create a membership, etc. You are doing this full your veins. After doing this,
before the person goes this into tutorial mode. And also
I will show you what you need to do for 3 minutes instantly. After showing that I'm currently passing with my meals, I can't show you those because I already did this. I am waiting for it to load right now. I am telling you what to do. After pasting your screen picture here, guys, you come to the blue. The game is very nice. I liked it. You can write something random, friends. It doesn't matter.
we definitely went there. Out of my mind.
Then you send it, guys. You save you the send from here. You could right click here and paste the link from here. I guess it's not here, it's here. You can do it directly like this. You can also copy this directly. Both are the same, friends, not in very different parts. You are copying this from here, friends.
We should probably
just wait on average. Then you need to do alphabet identity sorting here. I've upgraded to the first level. I'll show you this in a bit.
What you will do.
And answer the questions in the form below. That's all there is to it. What are you doing here? It says specify the URL of the retweet. That's what you're writing. Did you download it on iOS or on Android? It asks you that, you choose it. Then in the game, your username is yours, guys. It wants it. After entering this, we say send and our participation has been successfully received. As I mentioned, right now, friends, the blue is 40. I'm not counting the small change of $3 at the moment the video was shot. I'm calculating it directly. Look, this corresponds to just a profit of $120 from here because this is not guaranteed. I told you at the beginning of the video, I didn't count this. It's not guaranteed, but we have a 90% chance of winning this, friends. What do we need to do in Token Splash? By the way, friends, I'm sick. My voice may sound weird. Don't mind. We've closed this place and that one too. Here, friends are saying that if you are an old user, when you do this operation, you will earn a profit of 5 blue. If you are a new user, you will definitely earn 25 blue. Yet, so this means that at the time of filming the video, a blue one corresponds to $3. So if you're an old user and still a user, if you're a new user, you'll make a profit of $75. So what are we doing here? Here we say we're saying deposit now, friends. What does it say? A minimum investment of 200 Mavia or $100. I made a Mavia trading. I'm coming from here, friends. I'm saying 909. I'm choosing USDC from here. I will send it via Binance. From here, I chose USDT. From here, I also chose the cheapest Binance Smart Chain. I made my copy from here.
I came to you, won't you pull me?
Yes, friends, our investment has been approved. We're coming here. We're writing in blue, friends. We're clicking. What we need to do here is a click on the market.
I made 100% from here. I counted and did it. Approved.
I just made my purchase. I came here the same way and sold everything from Mavia. I made my sale, guys.
Our applications also took place. I'm here for us doing a refreshing.
As you can see, I've completed this for us right now for 5 Maviam.
I'm in the waiting process.
If you're a new user, my friends, these deposit sections aren't here for you. It'll be open in this section. As you can see, the operations are as simple as this. Starting from today, I am actively starting to produce content on my channel again. I will be sharing lucrative airdrops with you. The more interaction you give me, the more I can negotiate with extra exchanges and provide you with rewards at its time.
I will
I
use
apologize, he
then
knows.
my exchanges for this
It
to
is
my
a
channel.
special event for me.
In the video, as an example to the users coming from your reference,
There are
they
events limited to 100 people for awards. This is not only for me. Content creators have the same things, almost everyone. The more interaction you give us, the more we can come back to you with profitable events, friends. So don't forget to like the video and comment. Take good care of yourself.